Hello guys and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change the currency on Fiverr. You can easily switch between different currencies like PKR, Indian rupees, US dollars, and more. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store and in the search bar, type Fiverr. Make sure the app is fully updated because this step is very important. Sometimes, if your app is not updated, the option to change the currency may not appear. So, before doing anything else, update the app to the latest version. Once the update is complete, open the Fiverr app. Now go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon. From there, select Preferences. Inside the Preferences menu, you'll find the Currency option. Tap on it, and here you can choose the currency you prefer, such as US dollars, pounds, PKR, or Indian rupees. After selecting your desired currency, the changes will be applied automatically, and all prices on Fiverr will now be displayed in the currency you selected. That's it for this video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.